Hey guys, today let's learn how to create Facebook Reels from existing videos. So if you like to go ahead and create your own Facebook Reels using existing videos, as you have posted on the past, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do that step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we need to do first is to go on over to the specific platform where you have posted, or where you have to choose and download a specific video from. So let's say it's gonna be Facebook, could also be Instagram, YouTube, or any other platform that you will choose. But what we need to do from here is to just choose the specific video that we want to go ahead and create our Facebook Reels from. Once you have already chosen that, of course, go ahead and find a way to specifically download that video. And once it is already done, I want you to go ahead and hop that video onto an editing software. Preferably, I would suggest you guys to use CapCut. Now on here, once you've already imported your necessary files on the CapCut application, and you are now ready to edit, what I want you guys to do, once you are currently editing the video, is to just remove some of those unnecessary parts and leave on the highlights of the video. This is what you could actually do to have a very effective Facebook Reel or Facebook Reel from an existing video. Just go ahead and remove unnecessary parts, dead parts, and just keep the exciting parts on your Facebook Reels. Edited video from that existing video. Once you're done editing that video, of course, go ahead and just post it as a Facebook Reel. And of course, you're gonna have more viewers, since this video is gonna be much more focused and gonna have less of those unnecessary parts, less boring parts, and much more exciting parts left on the or new Facebook Reels. Now, that is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.